Bloated belly, I'm feeling sluggish, gassy, or uncomfortable after every meal? I've been there, and I found a delicious solution that actually works. This one smoothie fixed my gut in just 7 days. No pills, no gimmicks, just real ingredients that heal from the inside out. Hey, I'm your name from Nourish and Ignite, where we turn food into fuel for a healthier you. Let's dive into this anti-bloat protein smoothie that changed everything for my gut. First, let's quickly talk about why bloating happens. It's not just overeating. It's often caused by poor digestion, inflammation, imbalanced gut bacteria, food sensitivities, and either low fiber or too much processed food. And while popping antacids may help short-term, they don't heal the root cause. That's where this smoothie comes in. This smoothie is designed to reduce inflammation, balance gut bacteria, soothe the digestive tract, provide clean protein for healing, and prevent gas and water retention. It's not just a drink, it's a gut reset in a glass. Packed with probiotics, Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt replenishes good gut bacteria and supports digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down protein and reduces bloating. Cucumber is hydrating and soothing to the digestive tract, helping to flush out excess water. Spinach, loaded with fiber and magnesium, calms the stomach and promotes regularity. Ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory, relaxes the intestines and fights nausea and gas. Chia seeds expand in your gut to trap toxins and support smooth digestion. Plant-based protein or collagen gives your body the amino acids it needs to rebuild gut lining and keep you full. Unsweetened almond milk or coconut water provides a light dairy-free base that hydrates without causing irritation. Optional boosts include turmeric for inflammation, peppermint leaves for a soothing effect, and apple cider vinegar for gut acid balance. Enjoy this smoothie mid-morning or in place of breakfast. You'll feel the difference within days. Day 1, still felt some bloating, but lighter than usual. Day 3, energy started improving, less gassy. Day 5, my stomach felt flatter in the morning. Day 7, way less bloating, more regular bathroom habits, and I wasn't craving junk anymore. I didn't change my whole diet, just added this smoothie consistently, and wow, it made a difference. Studies show that ginger probiotics and high-fiber foods reduce bloating and inflammation. Even better, when combined, they create a synergistic effect, so your gut heals faster and stays balanced. Plus, the protein keeps your blood sugar stable, which is key to reducing cravings and belly fat. Gut issues don't have to rule your life. With just one smoothie a day, you can reset your digestion, reduce bloating, and feel good again. Try this smoothie for 7 days, and let me know how your gut feels after. Have you tried a gut-healing smoothie before? Comment below and tell us your results. I'd love to hear your story. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Nourish and Ignite, and share this with someone who's tired of the bloat. More healthy gut hacks and food as therapy tips coming soon. Nourish your gut, ignite your energy.